Hye-Felicia here, not by Felicia. So guys, today I'm coming to you, I'm doing two things. So I'm coming to you with a food truck review from Rico Mac Taco. Rico Mac Taco. And they are a food truck, and they're back, and they're located on outside 3180 Main Street here in Bridgeport, Connecticut. So guys, I got some nachos, the beefsteak nachos. Yes. And I got tacos. Today is Taco Tuesday, but I don't think you will see this video out today for Taco Tuesday, but I have chicken Mexican sausage known as chorizo sausage taco, and y'all, I had to come back with that I forgot how to say it, lagunya, the beef tongue, the cow tongue. So you guys, I have to leave it in the container because I'm not for sure if I'm gonna eat everything, because I'm actually supposed to be going to a Christmas party. Well, I'm going to my choir's Christmas party. So I'm gonna get into, let me say my grace and I'll get into the video. Amen. Amen. So shout out, because I don't want to forget, shout out to Julio and Luis. They are at the those are the two people that you will see at the food truck. So shout out to them. Very nice guys. So they have a Facebook page. I'll put everything in the link in the description box below. And I am also doing a secret unboxing. It's like a secret unboxing collab with none other than AnnieB from MotorMouth Madness. You guys go check her out. She's her and her sister, AnnieB and Lexi. So you guys go check them out. I'll also put their link in the description box below, and you can also go to MotorMouth Madness page, and she'll explain all about the secret. I'm not put my address on. You can't see my address. Secret gift unboxing. So we're basically secretly gifting hot sauce. Y'all know I love hot sauce, and I'm so excited to see what she has. So I'm gonna unbox this because I want to use it on the tacos and the nachos. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna unbox it, Annie. I can't, you know, guys, they live right in New York, and I cannot wait to go see them soon. Hopefully when the weather gets better. They ain't nothing but a hop, skip, and a jump. Let's see. I wonder, is there something? I have so many hot sauces here. I'm trying to be excited. Unboxing it, guys. Let's see what she got. You know what would be funny? Oh, y'all, it says Hellfire Detroit Hot Sauce Habanero. What would have been funny if she would have got me the same thing that I got her. Okay, Hellfire Detroit House. I ain't even never heard of this. Y'all gotta hurry up. I gotta be at this thing. Y'all like my sweater, by the way? OMG. Let's see. Lordy, Lordy, Lordy. Ooh. Between 100,000 and 300,000 on the Scoville unit. Oh my God. Thank you, AnnieB. Y'all got to see all the seasonings. Oh my goodness. So we gonna no, I don't have no fork, no nothing. Okay, so let me put some wine. No, I don't have anything to drink. Actually, I have a little bit of water right here. Okay, so we're gonna be eating with our hands today. So let me give y'all the first, I'm trying to give y'all a good first bite of the nachos. Y'all, this is some, I'm on some authentic Mexican. My car smells so good. Yeah, I want to make tacos just like that. I mean, nachos. This steak and refried beans and cheese in the la creme and jalapenos. This is so flavorful. And with the corn tortillas. Y'all, this is really, really good. I mean, amazing presentation. And it's a food truck, guys. There you go. Uh-oh, I dropped a tomato. This steak is perfect. Season, perfect. Y'all hear snoring? Prada is asleep. Okay. Now, we're gonna taste the chorizo. Here's the chorizo. It has a little kick. And y'all know what chorizo sauce is, but these are like, the chorizo is like grounded. It's not like the whole chorizo sausage. Oh my God. Y'all, they have, I've been on their Facebook page. They have excellent reviews. I always wanted to try this place, but I could never make it. Uh-oh. A piece of cow tongue, guys. Now that is the bomb. With the onions. Oh, let me show y'all. It's cow tongue. Y'all, ever since I had cow tongue, I like it. So now, oh God. What? Annie? You know what? He gave me utensils. He gave me a fork and a napkin. My bad. Well, who needs a fork? We love eating with our hands anyway. All right. Oh yeah, guys, you could call your order in so it could be ready. The number is 203-290-8343. Okay? Best tacos in town, y'all. Y'all want authentic tacos? Okay. say. Uh-oh. What have I gotten myself into? Whoa! Yo! Yo! All right. Fire roasted habanero, apple cider vinegar, sea salt, distilled water, olive oil. All right. All right, guys. This is hot. But it's staying a little bit, but okay, I'm gonna show y'all where I put it at. It's right there. Let's see. It's not salty. I think I'll put some more. Come on. Uh-oh. Y'all look like salsa. It look like hot salsa. Y'all gotta see. It's good. I like it. I don't think I will put this on no fried chicken. But I think it has sweet and hot. It's on my tongue. Y'all want some hot stuff? Whoa. Here you are. Woo! Woo! It's lingering. Whoa. 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 Oh, that fresh cilantro hit the spot. Whoa. Yo. That sucker hot. I'm going to eat another radish. let's try the chicken. Y'all, wait a minute. Ooh. Oh, y'all, the lime is even fresh. Ooh, Annie, you got me. The chicken is so delicious. It's like grilled chicken to perfection. The spices. And chorizo. It's so good. I taste the spice that I'm trying to think of what the spice is. Almost tastes like some Indian flavor. I don't know if it's coriander or cumin. Oh, it is so good. Yeah. Oh, sorry, but no, the chorizo. I've always been scared to get a chorizo taco because the sausage I have tasted is very like salty, but this is so good. To me, it's not salty at all, and the lime balances it out. Y'all, I'm going to a Christmas party, and we're supposed to be eating. I don't know how much I'm gonna be eating. Because this is good. I know my honey probably wants some, but it got onions on there. He don't like raw onions. You want nachos, refried beans, avocado, tomatoes, onions, cheese. I said tomatoes, jalapeno. And they asked me if I want a jalapeno. So I guess you could get it without. The jalapeno at the bottom. Who made this? Royal Oak. Smashing Empire made this. Royal Oak, Michigan, I think. Y'all want some hot sauce? Y'all like spicy? I'm adding this to something. Y'all, put some on this chicken. Excuse me. Come on. Y'all, it's thick too. All right. All right, we going in. It tastes good on that chicken. Dashing through the snow in the one horse open sleigh. Y'all just made myself get dizzy. Y'all, this is good, but I ain't gonna be able to finish all of this. This was a lot. Y'all can follow them on Facebook. They're open Monday through Sunday. And they do catering services. Nice, very nice guys. Very nice. So, I'm gonna finish this. I should leave it like once you try it and say it's chicken, but it's not have the hot sauce on it. Oh, but they got some onions on it. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. This was so good. I was so excited. I had a doctor's appointment. I saw them out there. And I was like, I'm getting some of that when I get out. Yo, I'm full. I don't know what I'm eating at this place. Yo. I mean, she's snoring, okay? Those of you who don't know, that's my American Bully Prada. You guys, go check out Julio and Luis. Julio is cooking, okay? Rico Mac Tacos. Isn't this cute? It's a magnet he gave me so I could put on the fridge. Yeah. Oh, they got Instagram too. So Facebook and Instagram at Rico Mac Taco BPT. There we go. Everything will be in the description box below. And shout out again to MotorMouth Madness, AnnieB, for picking this excellent hot sauce. It's pretty good. It don't stay in. It's in my mouth still a little bit, but it's not overwhelming. But it's dope. It's dope. I'll use it. Well, I'm gonna use it. I got so many hot sauce, y'all. I'm gonna have to take a picture of my collections. Anyway, so yeah, don't forget to check them out. I'm gonna put their channel, and y'all have to go over there. Her mom, Mama Madness. I was watching a video last night. I was watching her cook that curry shrimp and I think it was curry shrimp and cabbage. They have cooking recipes. They do challenges. They be singing. Let's go check them out. I can't wait to see them in person. And I love the New York accent. Mama Madness be cracking me up. She make oxtails and the beloved sauce. Yeah. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna have to get something to drink. Get this food down and get ready to go to this Christmas party. I'm going just like this. So if you see pictures, I don't know if there's music in there, so I don't know if I'll be able to record a lot, but you will see me have on this sweater and this hat. I'm just gonna put some earrings on. I don't even know if I'm gonna put earrings on. Whatever. We'll see. Anyway, and shout out to all my new subscribers. I see you coming through. If you don't, if your page isn't, if your channel isn't private, I do see you guys coming through and subscribing, and thank you so much. Now comment and let me know that you're there. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you want me to do. Everything. Thanks a lot for all the comments in the that Burger King video with my husband and my cousin Steve. Yep. Everyone says Steve looked just like Jamie Foxx. And yes, he does. He looked just like Jamie Foxx. He was killing them burgers though. He was killing it. So I know y'all want to see more challenges with him. So y'all think of a challenge of what y'all want us to do. We not doing no Vienna sausages. I cannot do corn dogs because I don't like them. Anywho, just jot down some ideas, okay? And I also have a email that's in the description box. You guys can send me an email. I think it's HyeFelicia.eats@gmail.com. So check me out. All right, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and smile. Because you look better when you smile anyway. You never know what one is going through, and that smile that you put on your face could just cheer someone up. All right, guys, so that's enough. Good night. I love you all.